welcome to Craft and Canvas. To make DIY surprise box, grab a piece of cardboard paper measuring 17 by 8 cm using the template shown. Go ahead and cut along the lines and fold along the dotted lines. Now take that 1 cm flap, apply double-sided tape or a dab of glue and stick it to the other end to form a neat little box. Don't forget to secure the corners too. We want it strong and sturdy. Next up, grab another cardboard strip 1 by 5.5 cm. Cut, fold and prep them just like the template. These are going to be our tiny secret supports glued to the mid edge on all sides of the cardboard. Now for the fun twist, take a 4 by 4 cm cardboard square, cut a little slit in the middle, grab a ribbon and thread it through. Tie a knot at the back. Stick this on top of the box. It's your fancy surprise puller. To level it up, cut another cardboard piece, this time 25 by 9 cm. Fold and cut following the template again. Take your remaining 4 support pieces and stick them right at the middle edges. Now cut 2 pieces of 6 by 6 cm cardboard. Place one inside the box covering the little supports. Then pop your first box inside the bigger one. Seal the deal by gluing the final 6 x 6 cm piece to the bottom of your big box. And just like that, your DIY surprise box is done. Now it's time to decorate. Add hearts, paper roses, bows, whatever makes your heart happy. And yeah, don't forget to add photos inside the little box for that awe moment when it opens. And there you have it, your own DIY surprise box made with love. If you had fun crafting with me today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a crafty moment. I'd love to see your version, so tag me on Instagram or drop a pic in the comments below. Until next time, keep crafting, keep smiling and remember, a little handmade surprise goes a long way. Bye for now. Happy crafting.